Welcome to Amos 2023_Tech channel, your ultimate guide to the tech world. Today, we're taking an exciting journey, steering our attention towards the realm of automobiles. Specifically, we're focusing on must-have tech gadgets for your car. In this era of rapid technological advancement, our vehicles aren't just about getting us from point A to point B anymore. They've become an extension of our homes, our offices, and our entertainment centers. This is where tech gadgets come into play. They enhance our driving experience, making it safer, more efficient, and yes, even more fun. From making sure your tires are in perfect condition with a Bluetooth tire pressure monitor, to capturing every scenic route with a car dash cam, these gadgets are transforming how we perceive and interact with our vehicles. So buckle up, folks, as we gear up to explore these innovative gadgets. Let's drive into the world of car tech gadgets and see what they offer. Starting with our first gadget, the Bluetooth tire pressure monitor. Now, you might be wondering why tire pressure monitoring is important. Well, maintaining the correct tire pressure is not only crucial for your safety, but also plays a significant role in fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can cause an array of issues, from increased fuel consumption to reduced tire lifespan and even dangerous blowouts. Overinflated tires aren't much better either. They can lead to uneven tire wear and poor traction, making your car harder to control. Enter the Bluetooth tire pressure monitor, a tech gadget that's about to become your new best friend on the road. This device pairs with an app on your smartphone, giving you real-time updates on your tire pressure. That's right, no more relying on that little warning light on your dashboard or struggling with manual tire pressure gauges. So how does it work? The Bluetooth tire pressure monitor consists of small sensors that replace the dust caps on your tire. These sensors continually monitor the pressure within your tires and transmit this information to your smartphone via Bluetooth. But that's not all. This intelligent gadget doesn't just provide pressure readings, it also sends alerts when your tire pressure is too low or high, allowing you to take immediate action. This means you're always one step ahead in maintaining your tire health, enhancing your safety, and improving your vehicle's fuel efficiency. And the best part, installation is a breeze. Simply screw the sensors onto your tire valves, download the accompanying app, and voila, you're good to go. In essence, the Bluetooth tire pressure monitor is a simple yet powerful tool. It's like having a personal mechanic riding shotgun, keeping a keen eye on your tire pressure and alerting you if anything seems off. With this gadget, you can always ensure your tires are in top shape. It's not just about convenience, it's about peace of mind, knowing that you're driving as safely and efficiently as possible. So, why not make the smart choice and invest in a Bluetooth tire pressure monitor today? Moving on to our next gadget, the car dash cam. This small device can make a big difference when it comes to your safety and potentially saving you a lot of headaches when dealing with insurance claims. Let's start with the benefits. The first, and perhaps the most obvious one, is that a dash cam can provide crucial evidence in case of an accident. It's an unbiased witness that can truly tell what happened, making it easier to establish who's at fault. Secondly, it's a great tool for monitoring your driving, whether you're a new driver wanting to improve or an experienced one looking to maintain your skills. A dash cam can provide valuable feedback. You'd be surprised how much you can learn from reviewing your own driving footage. Now let's dive into how it works. The car dash cam is usually mounted on the windshield or the dashboard. Once you start the engine, the camera starts recording automatically, capturing everything that happens on the road. It records high-quality videos, and some models even offer night vision capabilities, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. One of the key features of a dash cam is the loop recording. This means that once the memory card is full, the camera will overwrite the oldest footage, ensuring continuous recording without the need to manually delete files. Another fantastic feature that some dash cams offer is the G-sensor. This sensor detects sudden changes in direction or impact, and when it does, it automatically saves and locks the current footage, preventing it from being overwritten. This can be crucial in providing evidence of an unexpected incident. Some dash cams also offer parking mode. In this mode, the camera will start recording if it detects motion or impact while your car is parked, providing an extra layer of security for your vehicle. So, whether you're commuting to work, going on a road trip, or just running errands, the car dash cam is your silent companion, always keeping an eye on the road for you. Capture every moment of your drive with the car dash cam. Next on our list is the portable car vacuum cleaner. Let's face it, our cars are like our second homes. We eat, drink, and sometimes even sleep in them. And just like our homes, they deserve a good cleanup too. That's where the portable car vacuum cleaner comes into play. This little gadget is a game changer. It's not just about aesthetics. Having a clean car interior can actually improve your driving experience. Think about it. Have you ever tried to focus on the road while a rogue French fry from last week's drive-thru distracts you? Or maybe you've had to endure an unpleasant ride due to some mystery smell. Yes, we've all been there. A portable car vacuum cleaner can help you avoid such distractions and discomforts. Now let's talk about the features. Most portable car vacuum cleaners are cordless, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny without being tethered to a power outlet. They also come with a variety of attachments to tackle different surfaces and types of dirt. The crevice tool, for instance, is perfect for those hard-to-reach spots between the seats, while the brush attachment is great for removing pet hair from your upholstery. In terms of power, these vacuum cleaners are no pushovers. They're designed to pick up everything from dust and crumbs to gravel and sand, ensuring a thorough clean. Plus, with a high-capacity rechargeable battery, you won't have to worry about running out of juice midway through your cleaning spree. Using the portable car vacuum cleaner is a breeze. Just charge it up, choose your attachment, and you're ready to go. Start by vacuuming large open areas like the seats and floor mats, then switch to a smaller attachment to clean the corners and crevices. When you're done, simply empty out the dust container, give it a quick rinse, and it's ready for the next use. Keeping your car clean has never been easier with the portable car vacuum cleaner. Not only does it help maintain a pleasant driving environment, but it also contributes to the longevity of your vehicle's interior. So why not give your car the care it deserves? Our next must-have gadget is the car jump starter. Picture this. It's a chilly morning, you're late for work, you rush to your car, turn the key, and nothing. Silence. Your battery's dead. Now, what if I told you there's a device that could get you back on the road in minutes, all by yourself? That's where the car jump starter comes into play. This compact device is a real game changer. It's basically a portable battery source that allows you to start your car when the main battery is dead. It's a lifesaver in those unexpected moments when your car battery decides to take a vacation. But it's not just about jump-starting your car. These gadgets often come with other handy features. Some models include a built-in flashlight, perfect for those nighttime emergencies. Others have USB ports so you can charge your phone or other devices on the go, and some even have an air compressor in case your tires need a quick pump. Using a car jump starter is quite simple. First, you'll need to ensure your jump starter is fully charged. Then, connect the red clamp to the positive terminal on your car battery and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Once everything is securely connected, start your car. Once it's running, carefully remove the clamps in the reverse order. Remember to recharge your jump starter after use so it's ready for the next time you need it. Of course, it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions, as each model may have specific steps and safety precautions. Now you might ask, why do I need a car jump starter when I can just use jumper cables? Well, jumper cables require another vehicle, and that's not always available. A car jump starter, on the other hand, is like having your personal emergency service ready to assist you anytime, anywhere. So if you've ever been stranded with a dead car battery, you'll appreciate the peace of mind a car jump starter brings. It's one of those gadgets that you might not use often, but when you do, it's a real lifesaver. Never worry about a dead car battery again with the car jump starter. Last but not least, let's talk about the car charger adapter. This little gadget might not seem like much, but it's a lifesaver on the road. Picture this. You're on a long drive, your GPS is guiding you, and your favorite playlist is keeping you company. Suddenly your phone's battery starts to dwindle, and you realize you forgot to charge it before leaving. That's where the car charger adapter comes in. This device is a technological marvel, compact yet capable. It plugs into your car's cigarette lighter or auxiliary power outlet, transforming it into a convenient charging station. The best part? It's universal. Whether you're an Apple devotee or an Android aficionado, the car charger adapter has got you covered. Let's delve a bit deeper into its features. Most adapters come with multiple USB ports, allowing you to power up more than one device at a time. That's right, your phone, tablet, and even your laptop can all be charged simultaneously while you drive. Some models even come with quick charge technology, providing your devices with the fastest charge possible. Using the car charger adapter is as easy as pie. Simply plug it into your car's power outlet, connect your device's charging cable to one of the USB ports, and voila, you're good to go. It's that simple. But here's a pro tip. Always remember to unplug the adapter when not in use. Even though it's small, it can still draw power from your car's battery when left plugged in, which could drain your battery over time. So, there you have it, a simple yet essential gadget for any car owner. The car charger adapter keeps your devices fully charged, ensuring you never run out of battery when you need it most. It's compact, it's convenient, and most importantly, it's reliable. Keep your devices fully charged on the go with the car charger adapter. There you have it, the top must-have tech gadgets for cars. We've delved into the world of Bluetooth tire pressure monitors, giving you the power to monitor your tire pressure with ease and precision. Then, we've explored the realm of car dash cams, a gadget that not only captures your road trips, but also safeguards your journey. We've also dived into the convenience of portable car vacuum cleaners, making cleanups a breeze. And of course, who can forget the car jump starter, a lifesaver in disguise, ready to jump into action when your car battery decides to take a break. Lastly, we have the car charger adapter, ensuring your devices never run out of power during a drive. These gadgets are more than just tech. They are tools that enhance your driving experience, improve car safety, and bring a sense of comfort and control. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos on tech gadgets.